Back to Vishnupriya from Rotaract Club of Sri Krishna College of Technology. Today I am going to solve a problem based on string matching in an array using Java. So let's see the problem statement. They have given an array of strings named words and we need to return these strings in the word that are the substring of the another word. If you see here, the word as is the substring of the word mass. Like that, hero is the substring of the word superhero. So let's try to solve the problem. Here, the solution is a class and string matching is a method which takes the array of string words as input. This will return a list of strings that are substrings of the another string. Here, I created a empty list named list which stores the result. Next, I have start a loop to go through the each word using the index I. Inside the loop, we start another loop with index j to compare words of I with every other words of j. Here, I have created if condition where it checks two things. I is not equal to j. That don't compare a word with itself. Next, words of j that contains words of I. Check if words of I is inside words of j. Next, I have created list dot add words of I. When the substring is found, it is added to this empty list. So here, if both the conditions are true, we add the words of I to the list because it is a substring. Then we break the inner loop to avoid checking the same word again and again. Close both the loops after checking all the word combination. Then I return the final list of the substrings. Let's try to run this code. It passed all the test cases. Let's try to submit this code. We tried to solve this code with 4 ms of time complexity. Thank you.